Okay, everybody, I'll show you another snack. This is the cocktail peanut saute. Yep. And this, let me see. Here, the nutrition facts. So, let me see. They have 4% sodium for one serving. That means the 35 pieces, and this box have a 12 serving. So 35 pieces for one serving. 12 is so 350, 70. It's 420 pieces in here, and vitamin E 15%. Niacin 30%, calcium 2%, iron 4%, potassium 4%, magnesium 10%, zinc 10%, copper 10%, manganese 20%. Yep. And this peanut contain 3 nuts. So they have peanuts, peanut oil, sea salt. Okay, let's open it. It's like I bought 2, so this one is less than $2 for one, about $1 something, $1.80 or something. I think not bad. I think this time is much better than the last time I ate this from my dad bought long ago. He usually bought it, but back then I don't think that's good like that right now. Back then kind of dry, the peanuts kind of dry. Now I think okay. I don't need to fry. I made my own. Usually I make my own because I made this less dry. It's dry make your throat is thirsty. It's dry, you know, you feel thirsty, dry at your throat after you eating. So that's why usually I make my own. Before I make the whole about 5 pounds at a time, but it's been a long time I haven't made anything yet. Yeah, not bad. It's $1.80. Not bad because I bought buy one get one free. So 2 for $3.59. One is $1.80. Yeah, are good. You know what? This one, because usually Vietnamese food, they have some certain dish have add the peanut on the top. Usually we made our own to add on, and then take a long time. I think the last time I saw my brother wife, she put it in the microwave. She did that. Use the microwave, but I think now today I tried this one. I feel I see it's it's not far from the one I make it, so it's I will tell them buy this, so they don't have to do microwave every time. I bought 2 bags of raw peanut already there. I haven't made it yet. One bag, I think 1 pound or something. Okay, see you next video. Bye. This probably they blend before they fry. They use the peanut oil, probably they deep fry, I think. Or pan fry, but I think deep fry because I can see the oil here out. Yeah, I think this one they blend before they fry. That's why when you eat, you don't feel like dry at your throat. Okay.